In a hint that government is considering revising upward the legal age of marriage for girls, which is currently 18 years, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said on Saturday a decision on what should be the right age of marriage for girls would be taken as soon as a committee set up to study the issue submits its report. To end malnutrition among girls, to assess what should be the age of marriage, we have set up a committee, the PM said. As of now, while the legal age of marriage in India is 18 years for girls, it is 21 for boys. Anemia and malnutrition are common afflictions in underage mothers and relate to marriages taking place in the 16 to 18 age group. That proportion, though declining, is significant even now.
बेटियों में कुपोषण खत्म हो, उनकी शादी की सही आयु क्या हो, इसके लिए हमने कमेटियां बना की रचना की है। उसका रिपोर्ट आते ही बेटियों की शादी की उम्र के बारे में भी उचित फैसले लिए जाएंगे।
The task force headed by social activist Jaya Jaitley was set up in June as a follow-up to the announcement made by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman in the Union Budget for 2020-21, where she stated, women's age of marriage was increased from 15 to 18 years in 1978, by amending the erstwhile Sharda Act of 1929. As India progresses further, opportunities open up for women to pursue higher education and careers. There are imperatives of lowering maternal mortality ratio, MMR, as well as improvement of nutrition levels. The entire issue about the age of a girl entering motherhood needs to be seen in this light. The task force has the mandate to examine matters pertaining to the age of motherhood, imperatives of lowering maternal mortality rate, improvement of nutritional levels and related issues. It has to also suggest suitable legislations or amendments in existing laws and a detailed rollout plan with timelines to implement these recommendations. TUI has learnt that the task force, which was supposed to give its report till July 31st, is yet to submit it to the government. The age of marriage has been a point of debate for long. The National Human Rights Commission too has raised the need for uniform age for marriage for both men and women from time to time. In 140 countries, the age of marriage is 18 for both men and women. An analysis of child marriage and teenage pregnancies shared by National Commission for Protection of Child Rights and voluntary organization Young Lives in 2018 shows that while overall prevalence of child marriage among 15-19-year-old girls declined significantly from 26.5% in 2005-06 to 11.9% in 2015-16. Poverty and status of education are key factors in the circumstances that lead to child marriage. The study also reveals that amongst the married girls aged 15 to 19 years, 31.5% girls were found to have babies. Almost a quarter of the married girls in the age group of 15 to 16 years had at least one baby. A TUI online report.